Hey, don't look at that fender. That's a secret. Hey, how are you? Daryl here from the JCR Garage. I wanted to give you a quick message about our open house and swap meet happening here at JcrOffroad this Saturday, 10 a.m. Like I said in the title, it's an open house, it's a swap meet. We're going to have shop tours, we're going to have a bounce house, face painting, free hot dogs, all sorts of awesome stuff. And if you have like a garage full of crap that you want to sell or great deals that you want to sell, we're giving you free booth space. So in the comments below on this video, you're going to find a link to a Google document. Fill out that information. We'll give you some space. Show up here at 9 a.m. We'll set you up. You can sell your stuff all day long for free. And then here at JCR, we have a bunch of stuff sitting around, a bunch of scratch and dent stuff, a bunch of whatever, discontinued product. So we are going to sell that stuff all day. We have the tracks over there from Snowhawk. You know, if you want to have a sweet tracked vehicle this winter, we're selling those. We're selling random wheels and tires that are sitting around the shop. We're just selling the stuff that sits around all year. It can be a great deal for you. And then other people, other friends with booths, they're going to have great deals as well. So come on down and hang out. Jeeps are going to be on display. We're going to have, of course, the Beach Jammer. We're doing a little refresh on Real Hawk, but wherever we're at on that, it might just look exactly like this. Real Hawk will be there. Oh, what else we got going on? Let's pop in this other room here. Oh, dark and scary. The Manchi will be there. Crusader will be there. Ascender will be there. So yeah, random wheels and tires will probably be there. All sorts of great stuff, all sorts of potential for great deals, a great day. Like I said, shop tours. We are going to have a bounce house for young and old kids. Free hot dogs. We're going to have a blast. Oh, and we're also going to have JCR product, like the stuff that we manufacture every day here. We're going to do some sales on that. So we'll have some sales guys up front to take your order. So if you've been waiting to order something from us and you don't want whatever scratch and dent randomness is over there, we're going to do some discounts on our product all day long. Going to have a great time. Like I said, this Saturday here at our shop in Portage, Michigan, starting at 10 a.m. Be here at 9 and fill out that form if you want some free booth space to sell your stuff. Can't wait to see you here. It's going to be a fantastic day. I think I've said it a million times, but it is. So please come on down. We'll see you soon.